back in with another video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys for watching, and if you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button. So my title, I have some exciting news to share with you guys. I am getting a breast augmentation, and I kind of just wanted to be vocal and open with my subscribers and kind of just share my story on why I'm doing this, because it's a big, big step. My first real, I don't have any tattoos or anything, but I'm willing to have a real procedure. So I just want to shed light on it. This is something I have been waiting for, I feels like my entire life. I wasn't vocal about it until maybe a couple years ago, but I used to joke about it, saying like boobs done and stuff like that. I used to make comments to my family, but it's actually real now. I just thought it would be a good thing, so maybe if somebody feels the same way or wants to take the next step like I did, they won't feel alone. This has been something I've been dealing with for a long time. I remember when I was about like 9 or 8. I was very young, and I wasn't even going through puberty yet, and I was being bullied, and it was by mostly guys. But as a child, I used to get called flat chested. I wasn't wearing like the it was just like, it was just a lot on me as a child. I was around people that were already like going through puberty, so I was always questioning like, when am I gonna go through it? And nothing was happening because I'm small frame, and it just took a lot on me. And then with going into middle school, that's when everyone goes through puberty, so for real, and I'm just like, when is it gonna happen? I feel like I've always had the same chest size, but then you go into high school, then you got other aspects like social media, so I do know deep down that this was something I always wanted to do. It was just kind of frustrating. It's like I'm a woman, I have 2 parts, and if you're lacking in one, it makes you feel less of a woman. And that's just what I try to explain to someone that doesn't understand why I'm doing this. I wanted to also share my procedure information. I'm not going to go into detail due to privacy reasons, but I will give y'all a little insight on the type of implants, where I'm going, the location, not the actual surgeon, but and other stuff like that. Getting saline implants, like I said, I never really thought about getting silicone implants because I've actually had a family member get sick. She almost died. It leaked in her body, so I was already scared, and I knew that if saline leaks, it goes into, it's water, so it just goes into your bloodstream. But I will be able to tell that the implant has actually leaked, compared to if silicone leaks, you're not going to be able to tell. So yeah, that's one thing I will share with you guys. Another thing is I will be going to Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I won't give my surgeon's name out, but if I feel more comfortable enough, if you want to DM me on Instagram, I definitely will give it to you. Really last year, even though I knew I wanted this for years. I just knew I had to get on the ball with it. I did my research on the best. I picked between 3 places, and I narrowed down the surgeons. I found out the best surgeon in the actual facility. I found people that had the procedure years ago. I found people that recently did it. I asked questions. I did a lot like within the past couple of months to figure out who I wanted and to make the best. Like, I had to make sure I made the best decision for this, because this is permanent, and that's how it happened. I'm very excited though. Nervous. The whole experience has been okay. Everyone has been very kind and sweet and helping me along the way, but when you do have like surgery, you're gonna have your surgeon, of course, you're gonna have your nurses, and then you're gonna have a coordinator. A coordinator is the person that's gonna help you answer all your questions. They're gonna book your appointment, your surgery date, your pre-op, your post-op, everything in that nature. And sometimes mine is very hard to reach, and that's the person I have to ask my questions to. So I'm just trying to make the best of that situation so I can move forward, because if I didn't have to go through the coordinator, then I would have no worries, because everything is paid for, everything is booked. So yeah, it's kind of short, but do a little unboxing and kind of show y'all what I got to prepare for my procedure. So let me get this box. So I knew that I wanted to be on my A game. I wanted to be 100% prepared. I actually had a friend that recently just had her procedure, and I asked her questions from the time she woke up, I feel like, to now. Like, I still want to know how she is and how everything's going. So I based a lot of that stuff upon the questions I asked her. So I'm going to start off with this box. The medicine that was given to her was not strong enough. So I got me some sleeping medicine. It's not really probably strong, but it'll do. Okay. Probably like my most important one is this. I got scar tissue medicine. It's called Optic Recovery. It's for surgery, recovery, and more. It's for healthy tissue response. I find it important because since something foreign is going in my body, I want to make sure that my body gets used to it as quick as possible. I got this off of Amazon, and the reviews said that it worked really good. People that had like liposuction and Brazilian butt lifts and stuff, they said that the swelling went down really good with this vitamins. So I'm really happy I got this. I will drop links if you guys want me to. I got Tylenol because my friend that recently just got her procedure done, she said her back was hurting like really bad, and I feel like I have back problems a lot too, so I got me some Tylenol. Another thing is I got some melatonin. I don't know how good Z-Cool is gonna work, so I had to make sure that I had more options to choose from. This one has 500 mcg. I need to look up what that is because it's not mg. So it doesn't have what it is either. But the reviews on Amazon said this was really good. It doesn't make you, a lot of people on the review said it doesn't make you like nervous. When I take melatonin, if I take too much, if I take like more than one, it has me jittery and like antsy. So they said that that won't happen with this. I haven't opened a lot of this, but a lot of people that had this procedure, and they told me not to get bras because you're not going to really know your size, and the doctor will provide you with one, but I'm hard-headed and I like to be prepared. I'm a small, so I got a medium. I got these. I think the medium will fit me. Well, it's going to fit my new chest size, but I got them. I was concerned because my friend, she had bruising under her chest from the bra, so I had to make sure that these weren't hard or anything or won't cause any bruising. I got it in nude as well because I feel like that was a need. And then it comes with gray, and they feel like they're gonna fit. I was just on the ball with this, so I was like, I have to do this. I have to get bras, and I have to be 100% prepared because I don't want to come there acting clueless. So all I've been doing for the past couple days is looking at YouTube videos, asking questions from people that have it, and stuff like that. This is a bra strap. I'll open it for you guys. A lot of girls, they don't get it. So when you first get your chest done, the implant can rise, and you're technically for a couple of days, maybe like a day or two, you're supposed to wear a bra strap, and it helps the implant sit when your chest rises. So I would be putting it right here, kind of tight. Amazon was my best friend, y'all. I think this is a bra. It was kind of like a couple weeks ago since I ordered all this stuff, so I kind of forgot. So yeah, this is a bra. It's kind of different from the others because it comes with this. Like I can take it off and I can adjust it. And now that I'm looking at it, I'm not sure if I would recommend this one because I'm scared this part is going to hurt me. So we're gonna see. The good news is it's not gonna be a complete waste because eventually I'll be able to wear it. But I was just trying to rack up on as many as possible because I just don't know. So hopefully it's not too big to the point where I can't fit it, but I'm trying to get something that's my size, of course. So I have about 4 bras so far, a breast strap, I have my medicine. I have only one more thing to show you guys. See this? But it's a pillow that sits you up to support your back. I was on Amazon and I was looking up things to get for breast augmentations, pillows to get for breast augmentations, things to comfort yourself for breast. I was just looking up all this procedure stuff. And this is like one of the things that popped up. I don't remember how much it cost, but I hope it's effective. The box is kind of heavy, so I'm not sure how I'm about to get it in my suitcase to go to the airport, but we're about to find out. So yeah, I showed you guys all my medicine and my bras. I'll probably put in the comments if I get more stuff, but I think I'm good. I think I'm actually great for what I have so far. And if you had the procedure, also drop some tips below for what I should be getting. And if I should be getting anything else, you know, anything of that nature, because I'm all ears for everything, okay? So yeah, it's kind of a short video. You know, I don't do the talking videos, they kind of make me nervous, so I try to just like tell you everything that I wanted to share. Just let you guys know the video took forever. I kept stopping and going. I kept forgetting what I was gonna say and everything like that. I'm not good with these. So yep. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell for updates on my next video.
Tell me everything. I can see the fence with the red and rain. Trying to make this a Cali thing. So let's conquer everything. So let's conquer everything. So let's conquer everything.